Diagram 3 show two straight lines PQ and RS line on Cartesian plane O. Is the origin. Okay. State the range of value M. Okay. So we know that the M will greater than 0. At the same time, M is less than 3. Okay. So because this is steeper, so the gradient is less than 3. So the M will between 0 and 3. Okay. And then next, part 2, the line Y, the line RS, straight line RS, okay, uh, reflected in the y-axis intersect the straight line y equal to half x plus 2. Okay, determine the point of intersection between two straight lines. RS reflected in the this is half x plus 2. Okay, so we have half x plus 2. Maybe this the PQ is the half x plus 2 lah. And then we have the RS here reflected in the y axis. Okay, so reflected in the y axis, and what will we have is something like this. So this RS, okay, is here, and then when we reflect this in the y-axis, it becomes something like this. Okay, so we have the S prime and then R prime. Okay, so this equation, so the this is equation 1, and then the R prime S prime will be the negative 3x minus 5. So this gradient of RS is 3, so upward, and then this gradient of R prime S prime is negative 3. And the C here, y-intercept, C is the y-intercept. Okay, so we have the C is negative 5. So here is negative 5. Okay, so this will be the equation number 2. So we can sub equation 2, okay, equation 1 into equation 2. Then the R prime S prime is this. So we have the half x plus 2 equal to negative 3x minus 5. And then we will have the 3.5x equal to negative 7, x equal to negative 7 over 3.5, then it's negative 2. Okay, so sub x equal to negative 2 into equation 1, y is half negative 2, and then plus 2, then is 1. So the intersection will be negative 2, 1. Okay, so this one, this is the y equal to half x plus 2. So the intersection will be here, negative 2, 1. Okay, we have the y equal to 3x minus 5. The graph is look like this. And then when it reflected, it will be negative 3x minus 5. And then we have the y equal to 1 over 2x plus 2. and intersect at this point. Okay, so the intersection is here. So this will be the answer. Okay, so this is Form 3 Chapter 9, Straight Line. Okay, Form 3 Chapter 9.